Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring numbers. Yellow color, blue color, brown color, red color, black color. The last one is green color. Kids, now we draw and coloring numbers. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. The next one is 2. T-W-O, 2. Now we draw 3. The number of 3. The next one is 4. Now we use blue color. Blue color. Now we draw the number of 4. F-O-U-R, 4. The next one is 5. F-I-V-E, 5. And now we draw 6. The number of 6. S-I-X. The next one is 7. Now we draw the number of 7. Kids, the next one is 8. Now we use brown color. Now we use brown color. Now we draw the number of 8. The next one is 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Now we draw 10. T-E-N. The next one is 11. Now we draw the number of 11, and the next one is 12. Red color. Now we use red color and draw 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. The next one is 13. Now we draw the number of 13. We again use red color and draw 14. The next one is 15. Black color. The number of 15. Now we draw 16. The number of 16. The next one is 17. The number of 17. Now we use green color and draw 18. Green color. The number of 18. The next one is 19. Kids, the last one is 20. Now we draw the number of 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.